Hi, today we're just going to be looking at some quick service checks that you can do on your Norton Rotary. Something for peace of mind when you're going out on a trip. This one we're going to be looking this week at a Commander. So this is it just in for a service, so we're just going to do some quick checks prior to all the work that's going to be completed. So first thing you can do, you've got your primary oil here. The filler is in the top here next to your engine stamping, and there's a drain plug if you need to drain your fluid, and the level plugs here. So if you're not sure, quick side covers off and you can check the primary oil level here. That's this side. The only other thing obviously here, you've got carburetors. Looking at the spark plugs on this one, so if I quickly remove a plug, you can see that's running slightly rich. So part of the service will be setting the jet level and checking the carburetors for leaking O-rings, especially on the choke circuit. Obviously here you've got your rear brake fluid level, and important one, your engine oil. So always make sure you're checking your oil level, and you can see here you've got a low mark and a high mark. This one's about a quarter full. So that's it for this side of the bike. So if we now move over to the other side of the bike, very similar here where we've got our battery, carburetor. This side you've got your gearbox oil, and that is a heavyweight gear oil, EP oil, sort of 85 140. And the level on this is checked by undoing these three screws, and the oil should literally just trickle or be at the level of the inside of this filler cap. So that's your gear oil. For your chain, there's a top up here, the little plastic plug, which is realistically just underneath your adjustment screw on the carburetor manifold. So you'll see a small plastic plug there, and if you need to drain any oil out, you've got a drain here at the back, this little 10mm, and there's realistically it's just a top up to keep your chain wet. Then moving forward, both sides you've got the air filters, and then moving up into this pocket you've actually got the level for your water. So carefully undo him, pop him over, and you'll be able to see in there that if your water's okay and up to level. They are the quick checks that you can do, obviously including your lights, bulbs, horn, tyre pressures and standard things like that. But the things particularly for the Rotary, your primary, your gearbox and your engine oils. So I hope that's useful and of interest. So I hope to speak to you again soon.